Hi, I'm Kevin Mahalik.
And I am Miriam Jabari. We are School of Nursing SF State students.
And today we're going to take you on a tour of the Pediatric simulation room.
We are going to go over the monitor, the suction and oxygen equipment, and the baby diaper weighing scale.
This is our patient Grace.
Okay.
She's sleeping right now, so let's not bother her.
There's a beeping noise. It's loud. Can we lower it?
Yes, we can turn down the beeping on the monitor. Here, if we press the side arrow down at the bottom, the QRS button will bring us to the volume setting, and we can change it from a 4 to a 1. Can't change it to a 0 because that's a JCO violation. We need to be able to hear it. And then go back to the main menu. And we need to check her temperature. There's an order that the temperature not go above 38.5.
Okay.
You click on the T-Perry in the bottom of the screen. We can set our limit by clicking on the high limit. We can then set it to 38.5. An alarm will sound once it goes above, and we can give Tylenol. Make sure you click on to get a reading. 38.1 is what her temperature was taken last time. So go ahead and take it again, and we'll check it. Okay, it's 38.4, so she's at a safe level. We can click on the ECG leads to get a heart rhythm and a heart rate. Don't worry about the CO2, no sensor. There's no CO2 sensor unless the patient has a ventilator. Let's go ahead and take her blood pressure. Once you put the blood pressure cuff on, we'll press the start button on the bottom of the screen. Oh, she's crying.
She's probably crying from the blood pressure cuff.
If we want the blood pressure to run automatically, every 15 minutes we can click on it, hit the down arrow, and we can set the repetition time to 15 minutes, and then set it from manual to automatic. So now it will run automatically every 15 minutes and we won't have to check it.
Great.